everyone! Welcome back to Funny Math Channel. Today, we're learning about something super important in algebra, the slope. Let's find out what it is and how to calculate it from 2 points. The slope tells us how steep a line is. It shows the rate of change between 2 points on a line. We often call it rise over run. This is rise. This is run slope equals m equals a divide. This is rise. This is run minus y1, 5 minus 1, x2 minus x, 1. 4 minus 2, 4 divide 2 equals 2. You solve it. Let's find the slope between the points. 2, 3, and 5, 9. Stop video. Find answer. M equals 9 minus 3. Divide 5 minus 2 equals 6. Divide 3 equals 2. So the slope is 2. This means for every 1 unit we move to the right, the line goes up 2 units. Example 2, 4, 5, and 8. 1y2 minus y1. 1 minus 5. x2 minus x1. Minus 4 divide plus 4. Equals -1. This time, the slope is -1. That means the line is going down as we move to the right. Special cases 2, 3, and 5. 3. M equals 0. Horizontal line 4, 1 and 4, 6. M is undefined. Vertical line. Quick summary. Remember, slope is rise over run. Use the formula and always subtract in the same order. Thanks for watching. Try finding the slope between 2 points on your own and drop your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math videos.